Very good morning everyone, Jorne here with another London session video. Today is the 21st of June 2022. Before I start, as always, I would like to highlight that this is not financial advice, this is just the way that I see the markets and I would like to share with all of you. Yesterday was a bank holiday in the States. That's why there was low volatility in the market. I did share trade ID in the morning, I did share trade ID in the afternoon as well. In the afternoon we tried to buy Euro USD. If I go now to the Euro USD chart, we can actually have a look at it. So if I'm on the 5 minutes now, and yesterday I think we were trading. Let's see. So yeah, this was the we opened here. Yeah, we opened here on Monday and we traded up. And in the afternoon, I said that okay, we run the liquidity here. Then we probably would look to run liquidity here, which we did. And then I was anticipating actually long opportunities. I think we got long here. This was the buy limit that I shared. I was targeting this high over here. Yeah, I think we in total we went up to 2.2 R. But yeah, definitely not the 1 to 4 R that we were aiming for. So yeah, we got stopped out at break even. You could see that there was fairly slow price action. However, by the end of the New York session, New York session should have been fairly slow because of the bank holiday. We could see some price action, but yeah, this was a trade idea that I shared yesterday because we broke the structure, we cleared the liquidity up. I was looking to clear liquidity down. We cleared liquidity down, and then I was looking okay for to run above this high over here. That's what we anticipated by opportunities. Please look in the discords. There is a really nice and clear chart, and you will for sure understand the setup and why I wanted to take this setup. Okay, going forward, where are we now with the DXY? I did mention yesterday that I was expecting bearish momentum on dollar to later trade higher. Yeah, first of all, if I go now to the 4 hour, and it's very important to understand that we are overall, of course, still bullish. Yeah, this wasn't a very important area for me. It was a very important area over here. Consecutive buy candles, and then we could see a sell-off. Yeah, this sell-off here was followed by a couple of buy candles, but then we had another extension to the downside. So what we could see here is that we did not respect. So we did not respect this area. Yeah, we did not respect this area. We traded through this area. Yeah, and as we traded through this area, we came back to mitigate this area and traded higher as well. Yeah. So I mentioned yesterday that I was looking for buy opportunities within the green box over here. And as we are trading now in the green box, and yesterday I specifically mentioned that I was looking for buy opportunities in the green box. We are here now, so we might be looking for buy opportunities, right? This morning, earlier in the New York session, I did share a trade idea on Euro USD. GBP USD sell idea, because if we are bullish dollar, then we are willing to sell GBP USD. But I think yeah, we tried to get in GBP USD twice. But I mentioned really fast to go break even. We were trading a little bit in profit. I said go break even because I do feel that we can push a little bit lower. Yeah, I feel that we can push a little bit lower on dollar. So that means that we will probably push a bit higher on GBP USD. So it's just not the moment yet. So I'm waiting for a more confirmation. We can also see that we have a gap over here. We have a gap over here. I think this was Thursday into Friday. We have a gap. We still haven't filled the gap, so we might now be trading lower to trade into this gap area. However, I'm very mindful of a bullish pullback. I'm very mindful of a bullish pullback. Also, if you guys like to use Fibonacci, then we can see that we are now already trading in the discount area. Yeah, we are now already. This is our 50%. We are now already below the 50%. So we are now trading in our discount area. If I go now to GBP USD. And I think it's good that we got out at break even. GBP USD, I did mention that I was looking for sells over here. I wanted to see a reaction from this area. We could see the reaction, so that's why I mentioned let's go for some sells. But this is definitely not a price action that you want to see. Hence why we went break even. Okay, let me delete this and let me see where we can head next on GBP/USD. The thing is that this is fairly balanced price action. This is fairly balanced price action. So it would surprise me if we have the sell-off now. If we get the sell-off now, it's still. I mean, it can. We can see here like kind of London manipulation, to run the high. We run the high. So London session we got here during the London Open. Sorry guys, I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Yeah, so during London Open, very choppy price action, up, down, up, down, up, down, kind of consolidation. We trade now up, so if we can see now GBP to trade lower, then we might be able to get in a pullback. Yeah? However, I'm mindful of this balanced price action over here. Yeah, this is balanced price action. So in an ideal scenario, we might be looking for these premium prices over here to be to sell from. So this is definitely something to be mindful of. But yeah, if we can see now maybe break lower, then we might be able to get in a pullback. Let's go to Euro USD. Then we can see that we are already trading in this the premium area, which means of course that GBP USD is weaker as Euro USD. If we look at Euro USD, we are now already trading in the premium price area. However, GBP is not trading in that area yet. So if we would like to sell, whether it's Euro USD or GBP USD, I think I would choose for GBP USD because it's overall more bearish. And also we have clear liquidity up here. So it's still a bit of a waiting game. I did mention yesterday on Euro GPY that I was watching this price area over here, this 4-hour institutional candle. We could see some price action. Yeah, price was just lingering around over here. Yeah, not doing that much. But now we broke. The fact that we broke means for me that we are bullish. Yeah, I don't think that this candlestick we will see a reaction from this candlestick. So if I'm actually want to trade Euro GPY, I'm just gonna, for today, I think I'm gonna focus on dollar related pairs. But if I was about to enter Euro GPY, I would be looking for something like that, a pullback into this area over here. Yeah, stop loss should not be below this point, and then yeah, looking to seek liquidity that's above here. So that's something that I would be looking at. The fact that we broke here, I would like to see a pullback mitigation to then trade higher. I might set an alert. So whenever price hits this area, then I can see if I see the price action that I'm looking for. But I'm focused on dollar. Yeah, I would like to see some bullish momentum in this green box. Yeah, it can be now, it can be in an hour, it can also happen during the New York session, but it's definitely an area where I'm looking at. And also, if we look now at the 1 hour, then we can already see kind of a trend line forming. Yeah, and we know trend line for us is seen as liquidity. Yeah, so it would not surprise me if we're gonna run this afternoon through this trend line. Okay, so this was it. Hopefully it was helpful and useful. If I do see any trade opportunity, of course, as always, I will be very happy to share this with you and guys in the Discord. Okay, have a good one, trade safe, and let's catch up this afternoon for a New York session video. Have a good one.